In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a file in Google Slides. If you've ever lost an important presentation or made unwanted changes, this guide will be incredibly helpful and easy to follow. To begin, open the Google Slides website. Google Slides is part of Google's suite of productivity tools, which means you'll need to be signed into your Google account to access your files. If you're not signed in already, go ahead and do so now. This step is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to access your past presentations or any version history. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage where you can create a new presentation or open an existing one. To recover a file, you'll typically work with an existing document. For demonstration purposes, we'll start from a blank or templated presentation. Click on Blank Presentation or select a template from the options available. This opens a new presentation in a separate tab. With your presentation open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This drop-down menu contains several important options for managing your document. In this menu, locate Version History and click on it. A sub-menu will appear. Select See Version History. After selecting this, a pane will appear on the right side of your screen showing all the saved versions of your presentation. Each version includes a timestamp and may note who made the changes. This allows you to carefully browse through your document's history and locate the version you want to recover. If you find a version you wish to restore, simply click on it. You'll see a button at the top labeled Restore this version. Click this, and your file will revert to that earlier state, recovering any lost information or undoing recent edits. This makes it easy to correct mistakes or retrieve deleted content. Using version history, you can track changes over time, compare edits, and even rename versions for better organization. This feature is especially useful when collaborating with a team, as you can see who made which changes and when. You can also create a habit of periodically naming versions to make finding the right one faster in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward method to recover a file in Google Slides using version history. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone working on important presentations. Next time you accidentally delete something or want to revert changes, you'll know exactly how to restore your slides. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips, tricks, and productivity hacks to get the most out of Google Slides. Remember, mastering these features can save you time, reduce stress, and make your presentations more professional and polished. Happy presenting!